The next tool is Rotate Camera. Click and hold over this, and it will rotate your camera around that pivot point that you can see in the middle. You can also do this with hold down Alt and left mouse button. Now, we can go to View and click on Frame Default to Back Default Angle. The third tool is Scale Camera. Click and hold. This is moving the camera farther and closer to the object. You can also do this with hold down Alt and right mouse button. Or you can use the scrolling wheel. The last tool is Move Camera. Click and hold over this and move your mouse. You can see that you are moving the camera around. This can also be done by using hold down Alt and middle mouse button, and move your mouse. Click the link below to watch the complete Cinema 4D tutorials for beginner. If you find this tutorial useful, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay, then see you in another video.